Welcome to Ajisha's Tuition, where learning made easy.
In this channel, we are going to learn basic mathematics and physics. If you like our video lectures, give us like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Happy learning!
In this video, we are going to see about the division of polynomials. Here, we want to divide two polynomials. First one, 24a square bc cube. Second one, minus 6a bc square. Here, both polynomials are monomial. So, here first you can write the first polynomial 24a square bc cube divided by minus 6a bc square. This polynomial we want to divide. We want to divide the two polynomial. So for the division, first we can write the first polynomial, that is in the numerator, 24a square bc cube divided by minus 6a bc square. Now for the division polynomial, here it was plus and here it was minus. We know that plus divided by minus, our answer must be negative. Right? Negative. After that, you have to take the numbers. Here the numbers are 24. You have to take this 24 and this 6. Now you have to find 24 divided by 6 is 4. Now after that, we have to take the variables. So first here you can take the variable. Here it is a square and here it was a square and a. If a number rise to m, that is m divided by a power n, that is a is same, only the power vary. At that time we can minus the power, that is this is the formula, a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. The same formula here you can use. Here you can use a power 2, m is 2 and n is 1. So we can write a power 2 minus 1. Now next variable we have to take, both are b. Power is in numerator 1 and denominator 1. So here we can write b minus 1. So here we can write b 1 minus 1. Now the last one, we have to take the last variable, that is here c cube, here c square. So we can write c cube, we can write c 3 minus 2. Now we can solve this one, that is equal to minus 4 a 2 minus 1 is 1 b power 0 and here 3 minus 2 is 1. Now that is also equal to minus 4 a power 1, that is equal to a, and here b power 0. Any number that rise to 0, any number that rise to 0 or any variable that rise to, if the power is equal to 0, the value of this is 1. That is, if you write 5 power 0, that also 1. If you write 100 power 0, that is also 1. Any number or any variable rise to 0, if the power is equal to 0, the value of that term, that is equal to 1. Using this, here you can write b power 0, that is equal to 1. Using this, we can write b power 0 is 1. Now c power 1 is c. So we can write our answer is minus 4ac. Now here x cube y power 4 minus 7 x power 4 y3 minus 28 x cube y power 6. We want to divide this polynomial by the next polynomial is minus 7 x cube y square. Now for this division, the same one, first you have to write the first polynomial in the numerator, that is yx cube y power 4 minus 7 x power 4 y cube minus 28 x cube y power 6. The whole divided by minus 7. So here in numerator there are 3 terms, but in the denominator there was only 1 term. Now if you are writing in the case of a fraction, if a plus b plus c divided by d, that is numerator there are 3 terms, denominator 1 term, at fraction, that is a by d, this is the first fraction, b by d second one, c by d third one. Similarly, this one we can write, this is the first term, this one is second term, this one is third term. Here we can write, we can split this fraction, that is equal to 14 x cube y power 4 divided by denominator minus 7 x cube y square minus this minus 7 x power 4 y cube divided by this minus 7 x cube y square. Now again here minus, so here also minus, you can write 28 x cube y power 6 divided by minus 7 x cube y square. So here then this previous method we can use. First we have to check the sign, here plus, here minus, so in our answer it is minus. Then you have to take 14 and 7, 14 divided by 7, that is equal to 2. Second variable is x, you have to take x, the power is 3, 3 minus 3, and the next variable is y, we can write y, power is numerator 4, denominator 2, 4 minus 2. Now here again minus, this minus, and here this minus and this minus, so we know that minus into minus we can write plus. Then 7 divided by 7, that is 1. Here the variable is x power 4 minus denominator power is 0, sorry, in denominator the power is 3. Now we can take the next variable is y, the power is 3 minus 2. Then okay, so this term is over. Now you have to take this minus symbol, here on minus, here also on minus, minus into minus, that become plus. Already 28 is plus, so there was no change, minus into minus, that is plus. Then 28 divided by 7, that is equal to 4. Now we have to take the variable term, first term is x, so here you can write 3 minus 3. Now the next one is y, here you can write power is 6, denominator power is 2. Now we can simplify this one, so by the simplification we can write minus 2, here x power 0, 3 minus 3 0, y power 4 minus 2 is 2, plus 1, 1 into x, so no need to write 1, x. Now 4 minus 3 is 1, y power 3 minus 2 is again 1. Now here plus, we can write 4, x power 3 minus 3 is 0, and y power 6 minus 2 is 4. So here you can write that is equal to minus 2. Here x power 0, we know that x power 0 is equal to 1. So no need to write this one. Here first term become minus 2y square because x power 0 is 1. Plus x power 1 into y power 1, that we can write xy. Then the next term 4, again x power 0, that become 1, 4 y power 4. So our answer is minus 2y square plus xy plus 4y power 4. Here also we want to divide two polynomial, but both having only one term, that is monomial. So here we can write minus 3 by 4 x square y z cube, the whole divided by, that is divided by minus 2 by 3 x square y power y z. Now here also first we have to check the sign. Here minus, here also minus, so in our answer we know that minus divided by, that is both having same sign, so our answer must be plus. If the sign is different, then it is minus. If the terms or if the polynomial having same sign, means always it should be plus. Now here you have to take 3 by 4 and 2 by 3. Now the numbers are in fraction. Now we know how we will divide fraction. Here 3 by 4, the whole divided by 2 by 3. In the case of fraction, that is if you are writing a by b, the whole divided by c by d. So here numerator one fraction, denominator one fraction. At that time, this one we can write a by b into d by c. That is, in the case of fraction, if you want to divide, at that time the second one, that is denominator term, you have to take the reciprocal, then you have to multiply it with the first fraction. Here first fraction is a by b, c by d, reciprocal is d by c, then you have to multiply with the first fraction. Similarly here 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 3. 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 3. So we can write 3 by 4 into first fraction is same. Now the denominator fraction 2 by 3. You have to take the reciprocal. Reciprocal is 3 by 2. So you have to multiply it with the first fraction. So here we can write 3 by 4, that is the first fraction, 3 by 4. Then you have to multiply denominator, that is 2 by 3. So you have to take the reciprocal, that is 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2. Then number is over. You have to take the next variable. Here the variable is x. So into x. Here you have to take the power. Power is 2. In denominator it is also 2. Now the next variable is y. So again into y. Here the power is 1. Here also the power is 1. So 1 minus 1. The next variable is into next variable you have to take z. Power is here 3 and here 1. 3 minus 1. Now we can solve this one. Here 3 into 3 9. 4 into 2 8. Now here x power 0. 2 minus 2 0. Y power 1 minus 1 0. Z power 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So here our answer is 9 by 8. We know that x power 0, that is equal to 1. Y power 0, that is also 1. So our answer is Z2. Here the next one we have to divide plus 1 by 4 p cube q cube the whole divided by minus 1 by 4 p square q square. So in this case, here also numerator there are 3 terms. We know that if the numerator that consists of 3 terms and denominator only 1 term, we can use the formula a plus b plus c by d formula. That is equal to, we can split the fraction a by d, b by d plus c by d. Using this formula, first you can write here, that is first one is this term divided by the denominator is minus 1 by 4 p square q square. Now here it was minus, so you can write minus. The next term is 5 by 8 p cube q square divided by denominator is 1 minus 1 by 4 p square q square. Here it was plus, so you can write plus. Now you can write first term 1 by 4 p cube q cube divided by denominator is minus 1 by 4 p square q square. Now we can do, so here we can write here plus minus, so that become minus. Now you have to take 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, that is both are fraction. So we can write the first fraction as it is 1 by 2. Now in the denominator fraction we have to take the reciprocal. Reciprocal is 4 by 1. Then you have to multiply it with the first fraction 4 by 1. Now you have to take the variables. First variable is p, power is here 2, 2 minus 2, 2, 2, and then q, here power is 3, here also minus 2, 3 minus 2. Now the next one you have to take here minus, here also there was one minus, so minus into minus we can take plus. Now here Then we have to take number. Here number is 5 by 8. Here the number is 1 by 4. Both are fraction. So now we can write the first fraction as it is. Into second fraction we have to take 4 by 1. That is reciprocal is 4 by 1. Then you multiply. Then we have to take the variable. First variable is p. Power is numerator 3, denominator 2. So 3 minus 2. Then second variable is q. Power is numerator 2, denominator 2. 2 minus 2. Now the next term is, so this second term over. Now the next term is the last one. Here plus and here minus. So we know that plus and minus, that become minus. Now 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. First term 1 by 4 numerator you have to write as it is. Then it is multiplied with the reciprocal of the denominator number. 1 by 4 reciprocal is 4. That is 4 by 1, or you can write 4 by 1. Now you have to take the power p. Power is numerator 3, denominator 2. 3 minus 2. Now we can take the next variable q. Q is 3 minus 2. So here we can write that is equal to, here in the first term 4 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator we can cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So the first term that we can write 1 into 2, that is 2, already minus, so minus 2. Then the variable you can take p. 2 minus 2 is 0. Q. 3 minus 2 is 1. The second term is plus. In the second term 4 in the numerator and 8 in the denominator we can cancel. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Then 5 into 1, that we can write 5. This is 5. Denominator 2 into 1, that is 2. Then the variable p. 3 minus 2 is 1. Q. 2 minus 2 is 0. Then again minus, and in the last term we can cancel 4 and 4. So our answer is 1. 1. Then p power 3 minus 2 is 1. Q power 3 minus 2 is 1. So that is equal to minus 2. P power 0. We know that any number or any variable rise to 0 is 1. So this become 1. Then q. Q power 1 is q. So the first term is minus 2q plus 5 by 2. P power 1 is p. Q power 0 is 1. Then last term 1. P power 1 is 1. Sorry, p power 1 is p. Q power 1 is q. So our answer is minus 2q plus 5 by 2p minus pq.